Okay, so we put in our 26-inch planter ring, and now we're going to go ahead and put together the smaller unit we call the Dirt Locker Junior, or two of them make the 16-inch planting ring. So again, just put them together where we have one pointing up and one pointing down, and sometimes that'll happen. That's going to be ready to go in the hole once we put the plant in place and backfill with a little soil. We put this new plant in, we put our dirt locker on. Now we're going to fill this with water, and you're going to see how well it's going to hold the water when we fill this well up. As you can see, we have many different products that can be used in a variety of ways on a variety of slopes for just about any plant that will grow in your area. So I would contact your nursery to see what grows well, and then find us at dirtlocker.com to get our products in order to plant on any hillside that you like.